Sneeze and bless you. Cough it up, AIDS-infested monkey. Everyone in the jungle should wear a surgical mask. Everyone in the jungle should get a swab test. Everyone in the jungle should wear a hazmat suit. Everyone in the jungle should stay 6 feet apart. Sneeze and bless you. Cough it up, AIDS-infested monkey. Everyone in the jungle should wash their hands. Everyone in the jungle should not eat the meat. Everyone in the jungle should not eat the bush meat. Everyone in the jungle should not eat the monkey meat.